Yes.
All right. So you have a
I al-
Vercel app.
I already sent my profile website, so you can check my expertise and skills on there.
Is there a way that you can pull that up on your screen and share the screen, even though you don't have a camera working right now? Could you just pull up your website and show us what you're doing?
Have you checked the website?
No, I was going to ask you to do it because I wanted to
I,
record it.
I already sent my profile website on Zoom meeting chat box.
Okay, got it. I'll do that in just 1 second. Second, I got to share the
Uh,
screen.
Jovo.postal.app.
Okay. Yeah, let's see what you have. 1 second.
Oh, yes, okay.
I'm opening it up now.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay. Oh
This
yeah.
is my profile
Nice.
website.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. You can see my work experience about related with blockchain.
Okay. Nice
Yes.
website. Very clean. I like the design. And yeah, it looks very clean. We would love to have a website that looks like this.
Yes,
So
that's
okay, yeah.
perfect.
Melega Finance, Black Pump Fund, Crocodile Finance.
Yes, yes, you're right.
Okay, great. Now, if I go to any one of these sites, do they actually mention your name or your Discord or like a disc GitHub account or anything like that?
Oh, yes, yes. I will send my GitHub.
Okay.
Just a second.
Yep.
Yes, yes. Uh, I sent my GitHub profile. Oh, you
Yeah.
can check it your com.
Okay. Great. I
Oh,
like
yes,
that. Like
yes, yes,
cool. And then so would we find this developer name on any one of these websites? Or
yes, yes.
hopefully
My
all.
name is Jovo Kozlov.
Yeah. Guru X. All right.
Uh,
Yeah, Guru X on GitHub. Sometimes people are anonymized on their website. So if I go to like Crocodile Finance, for example, let's see. If I go in here, do they have any, see, they don't have any white paper features that mention your name, so that's not really a good one. I go to the site, clearly looks like it could be a working site, right? Although it says front end web for cell app, it's not, the domain is not linked. I can see that you can build something on the front end like that. Um, but like, what's your best site? What site do you have that shows that you are the developer with this GitHub and with your name?
oh, yes. I'm sending my best website and stay that com.
Unstake.com. Okay, let's see.
Yes.
Okay, unstaked raised 6 million. Very good. Let's check out the about company overview. Would you be found here in the company overview? That's what I'm looking for.
This is a fundraising website that was developed recently.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, it looks good, but it again isn't actually verifying that you're the one who made it. You see where I'm coming from? So anyone could have made this site, and maybe you did make it. I'm not saying you're a scammer. You have to understand where we're coming from. When it comes to doxing, we're looking for the actual references that really that you are who you say you are, that you've built these sites that you claim that you've built. Because there's so many scams in the crypto space, and anyone could just take any site and say, "Oh yeah, I built that site," because the site has no information about the developers. You see where I'm coming from?
I am from Serbia.
Yeah, the scammer guy was from Serbia. I don't have a thing against Serbian people. A lot of
There
developers are
is
from
sad
Serbia.
news.
A lot of great developers are from Serbia. I know that. I'm not saying that, but that's just not like doxing yourself enough. Like, so do you have an X profile with a blue check mark?
Yes, my profile was blocked, so I don't have a profile now.
Yeah.
Yes, I understand what you affordable about my skills. Uh, my already sharing my profile website and GitHub, so you can some trust with me.
Yeah, I'd like to. I see six pinned projects. Let me see all your projects in here because I should see the projects that you've built here in there. It says there aren't any projects yet. So I don't understand how to navigate this. I see your Telegram,
Oh yes, I on.
repositories. Mhm.
Yes, yes.
But wouldn't it want to show up in the projects that these are the same projects on your website? Wouldn't those be normally on your GitHub projects?
Oh yes. Linked project has a private repository on GitHub. So
Oh, got it.
yes, yes. Many developers was working on a private repository on GitHub. So I didn't make a public repository for this project.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
understood.
If you want, I can sharing or invite private website so you can check the code base from there. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yes. Okay. I already share the full information so we can start the project.
All right. Well,
What was your opinion?
yeah, my opinion is that it's still slightly shady compared to at least another company that came out and showed me they have a whole website and trying to be as transparent as possible. But so like I understand you're in development that you have a great website, but it's I guess everybody's got a website. Um we're still going to have the whole community review each of our developers and decide who we go with because we got scammed and because we want to have all the checks and balances. One aspect is
Well,
how transparent are you? Another aspect is can you do the job? Do you have proof you've done the job? Can we verify that you're the one who has actually done those jobs? That's part of the
yes.
transparency.
Okay.
And another one might be just price. Like if we can find the really most competitive price, at the end of the day, upon building this, we need to also have extra funds to pay that auditor or two auditors to just do the best job. Make sure we're not risking anything because we're not going to go and play these games again where we develop our token up, we develop our fundraiser, we get to 90,000, 100,000, then have everything stolen from us. We can't make any risks for that the second time, you know? Because if we did it two times, maybe third time, and then we'd be done, but we don't want to have a third time. We want to have no more room for error. Okay. So recognize this, like I could either hire you as an auditor or I could hire you as a dev. I'm going to be interviewing, it looks like 10 plus people, and we're going to hire one person to audit the work, one person to develop it. We might have people cross audit and develop together because there's a huge ecosystem. I mentioned, the staking, the launchpad, the DAO. It would be staking, the DAO, the launchpad, and the DEX. And then we have a USD smart contract system that ties to AI that we're also building that really gives our project utility. The reason why we're here is we're building a utility project. And so it all has to start somewhere. We want this fundraiser to be the first part. You've looked over the contract. I only added a little bit more details. If you could open it up on your end from Fiverr, you can see at the bottom I wrote out what the user experience would be like. And I added one small detail that in Telegram, each person would use an emoji to share what country they are, and then there would be various Telegram groups based on their state or country, or state and country if they're from the US. And that way they would have a Telegram group of all the people that have joined in our entire network from those countries in one group. They would have their own Telegram group for that added to it. So if you looked over the whole program, you also saw that there would be a Telegram group for everyone that they referred, and there would be a master Telegram group for everyone in the entire network. And as long as you can build all that, I mean, I just need a really good pitch. We're looking at doing it on Solana, but what are your professional opinions? What is your opinion on building on Solana where we have our native coin or token that we're building versus building on potentially an EVM or one of these more exotic networks like Hashgraph or Algorand or Sui, which I know is up and coming?
oh yes, I recommend you to building the website on Solana networks. As you know, Solana networks is booming nowadays. So many. many investors are launching the project on Solana networks. So I recommend to building the website on Solana.
Now, would you build this type of application where it has a web page that's hosted somewhere where people log in and they use their Phantom wallet to log in and then it connects to Telegram? Or would you build it all inside of Telegram?
Oh yes. It is possible. X platform using the is using Telegram login functions. Do you know X protocol?
What's the protocol called again?
X.
No, I'm not
Uh,
familiar with that one.
yes. I'm sending. Uh, may I question?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Do you have Telegram?
Yes.
Oh yes. Okay. From now I'm sending X.io.
Oh, okay.
Oh yes. First send
Okay.
the message.
I'm actually messaging you in Telegram as well right now. This is
Oh yes.
Nicholas from Fiverr with, I'll send you
Yes. Okay.
my our group Telegram and you'll see mine. So I'm just sending that right now. Okay, BullX. Oh, okay, BullX. All right, let me see.
Oh yes.
BullX. Start trading in
Yes.
seconds. Connect Telegram. Oh, right. So
Uh,
this is like a trading robot.
oh yes.
Okay.
In Brex protocol, user can log in after he joined Brex Telegram community.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, right.
So they
So
they
you
build
want to write?
everything. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry to cut you off. Go ahead. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry, didn't mean to cut you off. I was about to just ask a
Yes, I
question.
understand.
So you're saying, if I understand you correctly, that everything can be built inside the Telegram because Telegram is capable, from my understanding as well, that it can handle all the smart contracts and DApp development, correct?
Yes. You mean you wanted to building the Telegram mini app, right?
Yeah, well, we did want the Telegram features of the group chat. And so one of the other, so the first time it was built, everything was in Telegram and it worked fine. One of the developers who seemed great, but he said that he believes he should build it with its own website that people log in with their Phantom wallet, and then that once they log in there, that connects to the Telegram. But that's why I wanted to understand your opinion. If you yourself would build everything in Telegram, or if you think that you would want to build a front end site that's hosted somewhere else, like with hosting or another hosting platform that then connects to the Telegram.
Oh yes. It is basic functions for Web3 DApps. Uh, so we can integrating Phantom Wallet or front end.
Oh,
It
okay.
is
So you,
possible to can
yeah.
it is possible to connect Phantom Wallet or for the front end. It is basic function or for the Web3 front end.
Is that a better way to go in your opinion than just doing it on like
Sorry.
BullX bot is only in Telegram, right? You don't connect your Phantom wallet to it. You send money to a wallet they create. So you don't actually have your private seed phrase from what I understand.
Oh yes, right.
Right. So if you build it, it seems it does sound better. If you have your own private seed phrase, you're connecting from a web that's hosted and you're connecting with your Phantom directly, right?
Oh yes, right. Many
Okay.
users connecting with the Phantom Wallet.
Okay, I'm happy to hear that because that also would make sense. Like the other developer was a scammer, so of course he wouldn't care to build anything with that kind of integrity we need. It makes more sense when you have your own wallet. Although when he set it up where it would automatically send the money to the person's private wallet and didn't keep any inside. So you'd send it to a wallet that it generated, but the smart contract would automatically send it to all the parties in the upline, including our DEX and DAO, just as I described in the document and
Yes,
it
I
would do it
understand.
automatically. so it didn't really hold any money. But I want the most robust, transparent system, so I am glad to get your feedback on that. And after looking at this, I think I put a bid out there for $1,500. That's what the other developer built it on. I just want to know your opinion. Is that a price that you can work with for this idea? You've seen the
Oh,
pitch, or is it, what do you think this actually
oh
requires?
yes, understand. You are afraid to scamming of the project, but it happens on smart contract. So you have to smart contract audit. After we have to audit, it will save most saves. Understand? Mm.
Yeah, yeah, I think so.
Before the project launching, we have to audit the smart contract.
Yeah.
Then we are maintain the security and shape project. As you know, smart contract is public. Everyone can see the smart contract. Uh, when we have the shape the security smart contract, our project will be trustable.
Okay. And I just checked out
Yes.
your project called the Token Guard here. That looks like it's also to audit code. That's pretty good.
Oh yes, this project is working on Ethereum network. When you input the token address, it will show token audit result.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
So back to the bidding price, is that something now you want to like consider, or do you think that the bid that I gave you looks good? I mean, did you take a good look at it and see if it matches what I put out there as a bid? Or what
Oh
do you think it
yes,
would take for this?
my initial price is $2,000, but it is this budget depends on your front end design complexity.
Oh yeah, no,
Understand?
we want
Yes, you're right.
function over form because we're just going on the fundraising. The
Oh, yeah,
complexity, it
yes,
doesn't need to be
okay.
complex at all.
Oh,
Yeah, just a really simple page where they log in. It can have one user description with a web with a YouTube video or something if it's on a web page. Um, so if it is on a web page, I assume that would also take hosting. Would you use Hostinger? That's one that I had used prior before the guy had ripped us off, and I got to cancel. They actually gave me my money back because I had only been with him for like a week. But is that how that would work? We would need to pay for hosting again?
oh yes. You
Okay.
have two hosting service to another project. I recommend to use the hosting.com
Okay.
as a hosting service.
Okay, great. I'm
Hosting.
familiar with them and the
Yes.
prices are affordable. So if I paid for
Oh yes,
hosting,
yes.
if I
Sounds
pay,
good. Makes
yeah,
sense.
great. If I paid for Hostinger and got that set up, you're saying you could deliver this fundraiser for a couple grand. Is that right?
Oh, yeah, oh yes, okay. It will take 3 or 5 days to building the fundraise platform on Solana networks.
Nice.
Oh yes, okay.
Okay. So
One
so
question.
and
Uh, you have to send deploy here on Solana network. As you can see, Solana network requires 7 store deploy here to deploy the smart contract.
how much does it take again? How many Solana?
Yes. If you need to deploy the smart contract, it will take 7 store.
7 Solana. Okay.
Yes, right.
Great. I like having all these details. That's good.
Yeah, yes, okay.
Okay.
Also, you need to process. We have to get the paid RPC endpoint on Solana.
Okay, I'm familiar with
RPC
that
endpoint.
term. Does that
Yes,
require
yes.
another cost?
Cost is monthly $15.
Oh,
$15.
$15 a month? Oh, is that the price with
$50,
Hostinger or is that somewhere else?
$50.
Oh, $50.
Hosting price is $20 monthly.
Okay, so I have to pay the Hostinger price and for this RPC endpoint another $50 per month?
Oh yes, total price $70 for per month.
Okay, got it.
Yes, yes, okay.
Okay, that sounds
Yes.
good. Does that cover everything and all the costs?
Oh,
I have the domain already.
oh, okay. Please share your domain.
Yeah, I have a bunch of domains.
Oh, okay, okay. So project price is $2,000. Timeline is 3 or 5 days.
Okay, sounds good.
Yes, okay. Oh, do you have a reference website for the front end?
I'm sorry. What about the front end of the website?
So I mean, you have a design for this project.
Yeah, I can come up
Design.
with a design. I can make a design for you. Really
Oh
simple.
yes.
Yeah.
You can we can make the like unstaked.com project.
Now,
Okay.
let me ask you because we have a unique idea with two major programs. One of them is called Ballot AI, one of them is called Economic Lift. Part of my legacy on this planet as a creative individual that has business ideas is I want to create these two projects and just focus on these for the rest of my life. The reason why there's two and most people focus on one business is because they both work hand in hand. And my user what am I saying? My design idea is based off my own personality, my background. I study martial arts, and you're familiar with the yin yang, black and white circle.
Oh yes. Okay.
So we were looking
I
at doing
I
something
understand.
based on that. And my question is, upon deploying a smart contract and building this code, is there a way that you could technically have it set up where you're launching two clone programs back to back that simply have a different wallet that they're delivering the monies to in order to fundraise for each individual project? So I'm basically looking to get two for one, where you're deploying one contract, but it has two of these identical fundraisers. And when people contribute to one smart contract, whether it's the black one or the white one, it's going towards the wallets for those prospective projects.
Oh yes, you are right.
Do you think that would work? Or do you think it would cost double? Because I'm not sure if it's requiring double for each particular type of smart contract with different wallets, or it could be done in one.
Hmm. Oh okay. Oh.
They're both
Oh,
connected, but they're different. Yeah. They have different utilities at the end of the day. That's why.
yes. But companies has different brands on this project, so we have to update the front end. Also, you have customized the contract logic, so you have to deploy the smart contract customly.
Okay, so it sounds like I would have to have two smart contracts to do that.
Oh yes, yes.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Well, I think that it's still going to work. I think that what we can do is, as we have two wallets in the design anyway, instead of it being a Dex and DAO wallet, I'm just thinking out loud that I might change it where it's a wallet for Ballot AI and a wallet for Economic Lift. And that way, when people contribute, they're actually contributing to both programs. So we might not
Oh
need to
yeah.
be able to have to do two contracts. They could all work together.
Oh yes, yes. You're right.
I like this
You're right.
idea. You have a great offer. I really appreciate your time. I think that you've shown me so much, and I know I can reach out to you on Telegram. So I'll continue to chat with you on Telegram. And yeah, it sounds like it would work out great. I am going to refer some other people. And as you know, we have a huge ecosystem, so I'm more than likely going to hire two different developers, and you could definitely be one of them for this part of the project. Okay.
Oh okay, okay. Sounds good.
Yeah. Yeah. And just while I have you on the call, I only have 10 minutes left on the call anyway. While I have you on the call, if you were hired to audit such a contract like this, what kind of costs do you have for auditing a project? Does it depend on the
Oh,
complexity of the project? Say you're going to audit this very project that someone else built. Like I'm pretty sure you have the best bid right now at 2000, but say you were going to audit it. What do you think that cost would be for auditing this type of program that I could ask for somebody else if they were to audit yours?
oh. As you know, I am a blockchain developer.
Mhm.
I can provide audit project service, but audit process will be implemented by the third party, such as many audit companies.
Oh, okay.
Understand?
Okay, so that's a better way to go with an audit company rather than just another developer.
Oh yes, right. Of
Okay,
course, I
that's
can
great.
provide audit service, but it is not good, not trusted. Understand?
Right, right. Because you're, yeah, that's very honest of you. I appreciate
Yes,
you.
understand.
Yeah, because it's a conflict of interest, obviously. But then that works
Yes,
out
so,
great, and I appreciate that help understanding it. I will definitely look for some auditing companies. If you feel free to share some, then that'd be cool. Because I'll have to look into their prices as well. But I'll be definitely getting back to you soon. I'm going to be working on this every other day. I'm checking in to make progress, so you'll be hearing from me very soon.
oh yes, okay, understand.
Great.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking with you as well. How do you pronounce your name? Jovo?
Oh yes, my name is Jovo.
Jovo. Great. Thank you so much,
Yes,
Jovo. Nice talking with you.
thanks so
Have a
much.
blessed day.
Bye.
Bye. That was great. I think he sounds pretty solid and he's given some good advice. Love to see what you all think.